Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Dr. Bilski from Bilski Dental Group. How are you doing today?
Good morning.
Good morning. So in this video, we are going to be talking about a patient that you had, and we're going to see some of her before and after photos. So I kind of want to just ask you a little bit about her experience and what was it that she had done?
So Morgan is a 17-year-old high school cheerleader.
Okay.
She's been coming to our practice with her family. Well, she's 17. I think I saw her when she was 4.
Oh, wow.
So for 13 years, her parents had been coming clearly earlier. And Morgan is vibrant. She is smart. Her eyes are beautiful. And we've been dealing with braces and teeth and positioning and everything. She's only 17. She's had quite a bit of dental work done.
Okay.
When I say quite a bit, a lot of, we had to pull some teeth for braces and nothing seemed to be really fitting well. And cosmetically driven practice that we have a procedure called Provance.
Okay.
And Provance, a simple way of saying it, is an acrylic veneer system that we can place over teeth without Novocain.
That's important.
Without drilling the tooth.
No pain.
And we use the analogy like a bond. If you put a contact lens in, that's how we place these veneers. We have a video that we can show how it's actually delivered and inserted and what it is. But it's a nice intermediate long-term solution, particularly for a young lady. Yeah. So when you look in this picture here, the one tooth in the middle on the left had been fractured and bonded and smaller than the tooth next to it, and then there's a lot of issues here. Yeah. If you look down the sides, she has difficulty getting her teeth to meet together. That's because her teeth are somewhat ankylosed, meaning kind of non-movable. So the braces it wasn't working. So what can we do? Well, we talked about, can we get veneers? Well, porcelain veneers would require Novocain and drilling. And I have a 26-year-old daughter that has Provance veneers. Okay. Because we wanted to close some spaces. Yeah. And she was not going to allow me to give her Novocain and no drilling. So the development of the Provance system, I was a large part in helping as a beta center and an educator in this procedure. So I have a lot of experience with it, and I'm very comfortable. And that's usually my go-to at any age. So you can see the before. Yeah. So another side on this is Morgan, as pretty as she is, and you'll see her candid photos, she wasn't much of a smiler, which kind of came across in moms that are out there that have daughters and dads that have pretty daughters that don't smile. What is the general consensus from the public? Yeah. She's not a nice person. She's stuck up. Right.
And she's a cheerleader. Her smile is so important.
She's a cheerleader.
17 years old, beautiful girl.
Right. So her dad came in the office and said, "Oh my goodness, I cannot believe, thank you." And her dad and I go way back. He is not that guy. He's appreciative. He's grateful. And then here's Morgan.
Wow.
Now
she's smiling now for sure.
She's definitely, and I'm just telling you, she would never do that. Right. And I'd have to actually teach her, like, "Hi, Morgan, how are you?" And she, okay. So
try not to show my teeth as much as possible.
I'm a dad, so I get it. I don't push it, but as you can see here, and I don't know, I think it was a home run on that. And we do a lot of this. It is half the cost of veneers. And again, no Novocain, no drilling.
Yeah. And it restores confidence, especially in young people.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! If there wasn't this procedure, I don't know what I would do a lot less porcelain veneers, and just it would look weird as a dentist not doing that. Again, most dentists don't know about this. Yeah. There are maybe 20 or 30 doctors across the U.S. that do this procedure. Okay. And certainly here in Cleveland area, Akron, Cleveland, we want to make sure everyone's coming in.
All right. Well, thank you so much for telling me a little bit more about Provance and, of course, sharing Morgan's story with us.
My pleasure.